Hey guys, I'm Disney Dad. Today in this video, I want to talk about the biggest mistakes that I see when people travel to Disney World. So watch this video to the end so you can maximize your magic on your next trip. I just want to say quickly that I love this Disney community and I put out a ton of Disney tip videos just like this one, as well as a bunch of Disney news videos. So consider subscribing to my channel down below so you get all my latest content. Now let's get started. Number one on my list is mobile ordering. Now this isn't exactly a secret, but a lot of people don't know about it, and not taking advantage of this is a huge mistake. Guests using the My Disney Experience app can order food using mobile order. Using mobile order allows guests to order their meals on their phone and pay in advance. This allows them to skip the line once their food is ready. Mobile order is available at most quick service locations throughout Walt Disney World Resort. Sometimes you could walk up to a participating restaurant and see a wait line of 30 to 40 minutes. This is crazy because sometimes you can just open up your app, pull up that exact same restaurant and order your food right then and there and pick it up in 5 to 10 minutes. Since a lot of people don't know about ordering food through the mobile app, if you place your order right then and there, you can actually skip that whole line and get your food very quickly. This isn't always the case, and if you haven't already pre-ordered your food through the mobile app and you walk up to a restaurant that participates in mobile order, it's always a good idea to check the app just in case if there's a long line so you can skip it. If you never did a mobile order before, I suggest downloading the app before you go to Disney World and practice ordering items. This will help you when you're in the middle of a hectic day at Disney. Also, a quick note, the mobile app now takes Disney dining credits for mobile orders. Next, I want to talk fast passes and some big no-nos. I see a lot of people booking fast passes for the wrong rides. What I mean by this is there are a lot of rides out there that don't actually need a fast pass because their wait times are normally pretty low, 20-30 minutes at the most. So it'd be foolish to waste fast passes on this. I will link a playlist up top for all the major parks at Disney World so you can know exactly what to use fast passes on and what rides to wait in line for. Continuing on my last item, I want to talk about not utilizing rope drop and magic hours. If you really want to get the most rides in as humanly possible, you must utilize rope drop and magic hours. I'll link another video up here explaining magic hours. If you're staying at a Disney World resort, you must take advantage of magic hours. You can get so many more rides during these hours, and if it's morning magic hours, you can even do rope drop on top of it, and that utilizes the first hour of the park being open, which always has the shortest lines. You can hop on to 1 to 3 rides sometimes in the first hour before the lines get crazy. If you don't take advantage of this, it's absolutely mind-blowing. This goes hand in hand with what I just talked about. Next on my list is not utilizing all the perks at staying at the Disney World resorts. Some things we already mentioned like magic hour, but there are a couple other things like free transportation around the parks and to and from the airport. Also, package delivery to your room when you purchase things at the park. This is a great perk because you can buy something really large at the park or a bunch of little things and you don't have to carry around bags all day. You tell them you want it delivered to your room. It normally takes about 12 to 24 hours, and then it'll arrive there for you to pick up, ready to go. So next on the list is a huge rookie mistake, and that's not seeing what the park allows you to take in and what it does not. I'll put a link down below so you guys can see the list of things that Disney World allows in the parks and they don't. And here's a list on the screen of the most common items that people try to bring in the park. As you can imagine, this is a huge time waste getting to the park. You go through a lot of security checkpoints where they go through your bags. And what happens is it slows you down and everyone else behind you because they have to go through and pull out things that you're not allowed to bring into the park. Also, what this means is if they do find something you're not allowed to bring into the park, they actually take it and throw it away, or you have the option to bring it back to your car. But if you're at Magic Kingdom in one of these places where it's harder to get to your car, it's not really ideal for you to have to turn around, jump on the tram, and take this item home. That could cost you a lot of money. One time, my wife forgot to take her mace off her keychain, and as you know, that's obviously an item that they don't allow in the park. So what we had to do is actually throw it away because I didn't feel like going all the way back to the car to return this $15 bottle of mace. But at the same time, it's a $15 bottle of mace that I had to just throw away so I could get inside Epcot. So don't make this mistake. Check this list out. Make sure you don't try to bring any of these prohibited items into the park and you don't lose out on having to throw it away or go all the way back to your car. The next item on the list is pretty self-explanatory, but I see a lot of people making this big mistake, and that's not bringing strollers for children under 6 years old. It's hard to believe that I need to mention this, but I see a lot of people make this mistake thinking that their child can make it through the day walking through 900 degrees heat in Florida for a 15-hour long day all through Disney World. It's not gonna happen. Your kids will need somewhere to rest or nap because you'll do a lot of walking in a single day of Disney. Not to mention, after a couple days down there, you really start to feel the toll it takes walking everywhere, every day, all day in the heat. So guys, I really hope this video helps you, so next time you go to Disney World, you don't make some of these common mistakes. Having been to Disney quite a lot, I see these mistakes all the time, and I hope I can save you guys some headache on your next trip. Make sure if you guys want some tip videos like this or some Disney news videos to subscribe down below so you get all the latest content. Also, if you guys want to help out and join my Patreon, you get a ton of features and extra content that I don't deliver through here or my Instagram. So make sure you head over to Patreon and check those features out. I'll see you guys next time.